Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Cube. If you think that I can help you out, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Now, before I dive into the content of this video, I want to share my heartfelt thank you to all of you out there, because in early January, I crossed the 500 subscriber mark here on YouTube. Now, it might not sound like a lot of people, but it means a lot to me because it tells me there's quite a few of you out there who find my videos fun and informative. And it really motivates me to continue to find great recipes that I could adapt for the Cube. So, thank you for all of you out there for your continued support. And with that, I want to dive into today's cook. Today, I'm going to share a recipe that I have adapted from one of my favorite online chefs, Susie Bulloch of HeyGrillHey.com. She's got a great recipe for grilled chili lime chicken, and today I'm going to show you how I've adapted it for the Weber Cube. Now, I think I've rambled on long enough, so let's just head on in and show you how we cook this. For today's recipe, I'm going to be cooking up this package of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast instead, but I do prefer the thighs. Anyways, set these aside while we prepare the marinade. To begin, I'm going to start with a can of mild green chilies and place this into a small food processor. You only need about 4 ounces of chilies, which is about half of this can. So into the food processor this goes. Next, you're going to need the green portion of about 2 to 3 stalks of green onion and add that to the food processor. Next, peel 2 cloves of garlic and place that into the bowl as well. Now, you follow that up with the juice of 1 whole lime. There's 1/2 of the lime and the other half. Perfect. Now comes about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Now for the dry spices. First up, a tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dried cilantro. Of course, you could use fresh as well. Then comes 2 teaspoons of cumin. Here's the first teaspoon and the second teaspoon. And finally, of course, as usual, we're going to add a little bit of salt, grinding about 1 teaspoon in there, and about a teaspoon of ground black pepper as well. Now place the cap onto your food processor bowl, lock it into place, and mix. Just give it a few pulses on low until it is blended smooth. Check that out. That's the consistency you're looking for. And now back to our chicken thighs. You'll see I've placed them in a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. And to this bag, I'm going to go ahead and pour our marinade directly into it. Once the marinade is in the bag, zip it on up and give the bag a few tosses and turns until the marinade is thoroughly mixed with the chicken. Once satisfied, place the bag in your fridge and let it marinate in there for at least 4 hours. So here we are, 4 hours later, I'm ready to grill, and I have preheated my Weber Cube to a medium-high heat. As usual, the grates have been cleaned and seasoned, so I could go ahead and lay the chicken thighs directly across the grill grates. And look at that smoke, and listen to that sizzle as soon as the chicken hits the grill. It's a balmy 40-degree Fahrenheit day out here in Chicago today, so perfect for grilling, at least here in the winter. When laying out your chicken thighs, you need to make sure they lay flat and evenly, like so. Don't hesitate to use your tongs to adjust as necessary. And the sixth and final chicken thigh. There we go. So I'm going to shut the lid and cook this for a total cook time of 10 minutes, turning it once halfway through. And now fast forwarding to the 10-minute mark, because I forgot to hit record at the 5-minute mark. Here are our chicken thighs. And if we look closely at this first thigh, you'll see great sear marks on both sides because I flipped this at the 5-minute mark. Anyways, after 10 minutes, these chicken thighs are done, so I'm going to pull them all off the grill. If you want to temperature check the chicken thighs, you are looking for a target temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 74 degrees C. Anyways, once all the chicken is off the grill, cut up some lime wedges as a garnish, and serve. Do these chicken thighs look delicious or what? So there you go, guys. That is how you can grill up chili lime chicken on a Weber Q. It's a great chicken dish for any day of the week. It's great as a standalone, or you could add it with some rice and beans, or cut it up into some tacos. Let me know in the comment section down below how you plan on cooking up this recipe and what you use it for. Anyways, as always, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, as always, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you once again for 500 subscribers. I look forward to the next 500 and many more. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you then. Bye now.